Walesi Fijians can now...
Since the nationwide rollout of Walesi platform, we have more than 100,000 active Walesi set-top boxes. Through terrestrial and satellite networks, Walesi is available everywhere in Fiji. And with the rollout of the Walesi OTT app, it is now available on every smartphone, bringing digital television to the fingertips of every Fijian. We have now more than 100,000 downloads of the Walesi OTT app. If you haven't downloaded it, please do so from the Play Store for Android users and App Store for Apple users. As announced by the Minister of Economy during the 2018-19 budget, Walesi under the Digital Fiji initiative has also been provided funding to install free high-speed Wi-Fi hotspots at various public places. And we are indeed very proud to launch this initiative here in Tavua today. At this Wi-Fi hotspot, you will receive free high-speed Wi-Fi for 60 minutes every day on a daily basis. The coverage is school premises, the bus stand area, and around the market area. As the CEO has mentioned, we have already launched the Wi-Fi in 10 locations. These include Navua, Singatoka, Nadi, Lotoka, Ba, Suvanosori, Savu, Lambasa, and yesterday Korovo. After this launch, we'll do Raki. And next week, we have Lami and Valalevu. We are indeed very grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Attorney General for their vision of the digital transformation in Fiji, from digital television to live television over mobile phones, and now providing free Wi-Fi internet access throughout the country for the benefit of all Fijians. Through the Wi-Fi initiative, the government aims to empower youths by providing an enabling environment for learning, by providing safe zones for youth to congregate and share ideas, by providing increased internet access and access to e-government services. You can access e-government services by downloading the Digital Fiji app. Furthermore, I would like to take this opportunity to reiterate that Walesi has provisions in place to filter out adverse content at these free Wi-Fi locations. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I welcome you all to this momentous occasion. Each and every one of you for coming out today, especially the school students. You guys were great. If there's any issues connecting to the free Wi-Fi, we've got Walesi officers roving around. They'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much. We will now do the drawing of the prizes.
And the lucky person walking away with a Samsung tablet goes to Ashnita A. Devi of, once again, Balata College. Congratulations once again to Ashnita Devi walking away with a Samsung tablet. Congratulations, Danielle. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure if you're coming to collect at least our final draw, thanks to the awesome guys at Courts, we're giving away a Hisense 43-inch smart TV, ladies and gentlemen. And the lucky person walking away with this Hisense 43-inch smart TV is Mary Wati. Last four digits 5067. Congratulations to Mary Wati.